Hi, this is Ramesh. In this video, I am going to explain about the how to filter the fields and records. For example, here this is in this EMP table. The field names are ID, name, and location. In this table, I want only the IDs. So at that time, you are using the at the place of star, you are using the ID. Select ID from EMP. So it gives the only ID values. Like this way we can filter the fields or field names. If you want to filter the records, these table contains the 12 records here. So 1, 2, 3, null, 1, 2. So in this case I want to filter the records. Using the where class we can filter the records. For example, here in this EMP table I have the name Ramesh. Ramesh is repeated 2 times. So now I want the information of only Ramesh names. At that time, using the simply where class, select star from EMP where name equals to Ramesh. Always string is included with the single quotes, and also this is the case sensitive. So now I am filtering only the name that containing the Ramesh. Okay. Now I want only the Hyderabad location. Hyderabad. Like this way we can filter the records. Now I want to filter the only IDs whose name is Ramesh. Okay. Now I am using the field filtering here, ID, comma, location, LOC from EMP where name equals to Ramesh. So like this way we can use the simple where class in the SQL server. In this table I have the name is Ramesh and location is Hyderabad 1 is and Pune is 1. I want the ID 2 information. Okay, so it means I want only the ID 2. How to write the where statement is where ID equals to 2. This is not the 2 is not the string, so I am not included in the double quotes. Getting the only ID 2 information. Now I want to know the whose ID is 2 and location is Hyderabad. I want the record or row whose ID is 2 and the location is Hyderabad. Okay, and use the AND keyword here, and LOC equals to, use the single quotes, HYDERABD. So as your discovery, you are getting the like this way we can filter the records. Okay, using the AND class, whose ID is 2 and location is Hyderabad. HYDERABD. So now Hyderabad BAD. So I am getting the another record. Here I want the information for the ID equals to 2 or location is Pune. So in this table I have the 12 records. in this table I have the 12 records. Here I want the whose name is Ramesh. In this table I want the whose name is Ramesh and whose location is Pune. Or okay, I want the whose name is Ramesh information, or and also I want the whose location is Pune. Okay, so where name equals to Ramesh or, so I want the both of them. LOC equals to Pune. So these are the Pune and name. So I got the two records, Ramesh and Pune information. In this table I have the some records are null values. Okay, location is also contains the null value. So I want the whose location is null. Whose location is null, where LOC is null. Okay, is null. So location contains the null value, these two, and also I want the information whose, these are the null values. Okay, these two are the null values, and also some empty values is there. Okay, so I want those information also. How to write the query is where location equals to so this is the not null value, it contains some zero value. Like this way we can filter the records.